Got it in the ramp. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is about oil change. Now I'm going to change the oil for my 2013 MDX. It's due now. So let's get it started. So here are the materials that I needed here. I got the oil pan, the funnel. I have the filter wrench. I have a 17mm socket for the drain plug, a screwdriver to remove the cover of the engine, and now the car is right on top of the ramp. It's more easier to do the oil change because it's elevated, it's more higher. So I gotta go and start it. Okay, let's go pop the hood. There you go. Right. Okay, this is a little bit higher for me. It's too high. I'm gonna need a stool to so that I can reach the dipstick and the cover there. Let me get the stool. There you go. Okay. Wow, that's dirty. I'm gonna clean that after. One thing, guys, I had an issue with this cover. I had an experience back then. Every time I had to take my car to the mechanic for service, and after removing this engine cover, and I do notice when I tried to do it myself, and I realize this pins, or what do you call it, clips, whatever, broken. That's because of maybe, you know, over time getting brittle, and it's easy to break. So once you pulling this out, be careful with these pins, otherwise it's gonna be loose when you put it back. And don't lose this grommet. Yeah. Okay, put it aside. Okay, taking the cap out. There you go. The dipstick, pull it. Yep. Okay, let me put this aside. By the way, if you're not sure about what types of oil you're going to be using, right on the cap it says here, for the 2013 MDX it requires a 5W20. Okay, so that's why I bought this, a 5W20. It's a full synthetic, Quaker State, and my oil filter synthetic as well. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's put this oil pan underneath, right there, and I have this paddings here, so it's not hard for me to be on the floor, on the ground. Let me get the wrench. I have the paper towel handy with me here too, because I need it. So there we go, guys. This is the 17mm socket to unscrew the drain plug. See right here. Let's unscrew it. Okay, now it's loose. Do you see it? Okay, this is gonna be messy. By the way, guys, to make sure that you are opening the right plug, it says here engine oil. So just read that one. There's an arrow pointing to the plug there. Okay. Now let me drain it. I'm gonna have to have this oil move in this raining. Now the plug, checking out the cross washer. It looks nice. I do not need to change. It's still okay. Here. Now I have to put this aside and not to get dirty. I just have to let it drain up until almost nothing is dripping from here. Alright, you just have to take my time. Okay. Now it's time to remove the oil filter. This on. Close now. Okay guys, so let's unscrew the oil filter. I just put on the filter wrench here now, and there you go. Oily. Okay. Let it drain. Do you like it, guys? You can do it yourself. DIY. Okay, I think it's good to put it back the drain plug now. Let's clean up a bit. Make sure it's clean. I'm gonna put this back on. Voila. That's it. Not over tightening. And I have to put on the oil filter. Okay guys, so this is the oil filter, the new one. I put on a oil on the sealant right on top of it, so that it's not going to be sticky, whatever. All right. Now let me clean this up. A little bit rusted here, but that should be okay. I have the filter anyway. But before I put on the filter, there's a little bit of rust right there. I'm just gonna sand it. Okay. So this one is rusted here. Just lightly, so that it will not damage. Okay. Clean it up. That should be fine. Now put on the filter. Anyway guys, I put some oil already in that filter. There you go. You know, it's only hand tight. That's what I do. That's it. Don't need no wrench on that one. Okay. Now I just have to clean up the area. Don't wanna see any oil dripping on your driveway. Okay. Good. That's good enough. Now let's go back up there and put the oil into the engine. Okay. So guys, if you're not sure on how much oil you are going to be using, just check out your manual. Like this one here, you got everything here. See right here, for the oil, we need at least 4.5 US quart and 4.3 liter. Okay, so as per this jug of the oil, this is 5 liter. All I'm gonna need is 4.3. So right on this, on the back here, right, this is 4.5 here liter. I'm just gonna go down to somewhere here in between, before the 0.5. You know what, I can go all the way to the 0.5, right, just to make sure. All right, we can always double check using the dipstick. Now let's put on the oops, something dripping there. Okay, put on the funnel to here. Okay, let's put on the oil. Slowly, slowly. Let it breathe. You know guys, I reach it to here, so it's good enough. I'm just gonna keep that leftover. See, after that I'm gonna check from the dipstick. Okay, so guys, it's time to put this back on. I'm just gonna clean it up. Okay, so this must be clean, and let's put it on. It's tight. This is dirty. Put the dipstick. Now let's put it back, the dipstick in there. Good. Dipstick back on there. The oil cap back on there. Now I need to clean up this engine top. Okay, it's time to check. Okay, the reason why I have to revolution it in order to circulate the oil. Now I'm gonna go check the level of the oil. So let's check the oil level. Okay. Right here. It's good enough. So it's fine. Now let's go in there to reset the oil life. Okay. So guys, let's reset the oil life. Okay. It's right there. Let's scroll to get to the right location for the resetting. Another one. Oil life. Okay, I just pressed that for like 10 seconds. Now scroll down to, I might scroll up to reset. Okay, see, highlighted there. Now I have to press select here. I'm gonna press a select. Now it's 100%. Right, go back through it just to make sure. Right there, it's already 100%. So it's all done, guys. Okay, thank you for watching.